you. Hey, why don't you give me your phone number? You better give your family a call. My phone number? How about your address? Where do you live? Address? Okay, then. Do you know how old you are? Parents or siblings or a pet? Oh, I've got one. What's your favorite food? I don't know. What's your favorite TV show? TV show? My favorite TV show is called Hashtag Will Travel. It's a reality show. They go traveling all over Japan, tracking down different kinds of rare or weird or yummy, well-known dishes. When I watch it, I haven't had a chance to try.
Okay, go over there. Keep playing with the camera. Go away. Where are you going? Go that way. Go that way. Where are you going? You're a little weirdo. Go away. Go away. Go away.